gagamit tayo ng speed math na tinatawag na Trachtenberg method. So example, we have 441,362 times 11. Paano natin yan ma-multiply ng mas mabilis? 2, add natin sa kanyang kapitbahay. Mula sa right hand, 2 plus 0. So, since wala naman nakalagay dito, so automatic ibababa natin si 2. 6 plus 2. So, that is 8. 3 plus 6, that is 9. So, i-add lang natin yung kanilang mga kapitbahay. 1. Sinong kapitbahay ni 1? That is 3. So, 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Next, 4 plus 4, that is 8. So, lagay lang natin. Tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa. No? Ang last na gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo dito ng 0. Then 0 plus 4, that is 4. So, automatic, ang ating final answer, that is 4,854,982. Let's try another example. Sabihin natin, we have 1,754 times 11. So, paano yan? Ganun lang ulit, no? So, si 4, add natin yung neighbor niya sa right hand. 4 plus 0, wala namang nakalagay dito. So, bababa natin si 4. 5 plus 4, that is 9. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, that is 12. So, lalagay natin dito si 2. So, since 12 yun, maglagay tayo dito ng tuldok. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong remainder na 1. Okay? So, 7 plus 5, that is 12. Okay? Next, 1 plus 7, that is 8. Plus, yung remainder natin dito na 1, that is 9. Next, tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa, no? So, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, mag-add tayo dito ng 0 para hindi tayo malito, no? Kasi, sabihin yan, hindi pa tayo tapos mag-add. So, 0 plus 1, no? Yung right hand number niya, that is 1. So, ang ating final answer is 19,294. Gets? Last example. Let's say we have 715,624. So, yan. Tinaasan na natin. No? So, kaya pa rin ba nating gawin yon yung ginawa natin kanina? Siyempre. No? Sundan lang natin yung ating mga rules kanina. So, 4 plus neighbor. Wala naman ditong neighbor, no? 0. 0 siya. So, it means bababa lang natin si 4. 2 plus 4, no? Add lang natin si neighbor. That is 6. 6 plus 2, that is 8. Okay? Next, 5 plus 6. Yan, paano na yan? So, 5 plus 6, that is equals to 11. So, automatic, maglalagay tayo dito ng tuldok, no? Ibig sabihin ng tuldok na yan, remainder natin. Meron tayong remainder na 1. So, 5 plus 6, that is 11. 1 plus 5, that is 6. Plus 1 yung remainder natin, that is equals to 7. 7 plus 1, that is 8. Then, huwag natin kalimutan si 0 ilagay. 0 plus 7, that is 7. So, we have 7,871,864. So, ganun lang kadali gamitin si Trachtenberg method, no? So, ito ay multiplication by 11.